Hey everyone, Shan here. Today I'm going to be playing in my city world, and just so you know, I'm on a different account because the other one wouldn't work. So sad. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you my house in my city. So, two of my BFFs live here with me, Maya, Jessica, and there's me. And this is where we live. So, just a random thing. Okay. First, I'm going to show you around the house. It's not quite done yet, but I'll do another tour when it's finished. So, here's the place where you watch TV. Here's the kitchen. Moving on upstairs. Oh yeah, there's also someone else who actually lives here. So there's Maya's brother. And then Maya's room. Jesse's room, which is Jessica. And my room is on the roof. So now I'm going to show you the garden. Whee! So this is a trampoline that Maya made. It's pink because that's a good colour. A hot tub, a pond, swings, swimming pool, a hot tub that I made, another hot tub, and a nursery that I made with flowers. You might do something. Just making a heart. There. Oh my god. Okay. So, let's start on the road here. I'm just gonna do a bit and then I might end the video. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, this city is gonna take a long time to build because I put the thing on a large space, I think, I'm pretty sure. And then so I'm gonna fill this whole world with a city. So just gonna break this part and then fill it in and then put the break the other part and then fill it in and then end the video. This is gonna take a really long time. What am I doing? I don't know. Almost there. Right. Okay. So that's it for this video today. I'll see you next time. Bye!